Hey, what's up guys? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be doing a little upgrade on a customer system. We're going to be pulling out these in-ceilings that are back here and replacing them with the Klipsch PRO-180RPW so that everything's reference premiere in his system. Currently, he has some front reference premieres as well as the center speaker, SVS subs in the front left and right, bipoles for his surrounds, and then some overhead in ceilings. And these are the Atmos enabled towers, so they have the caps. So the configuration that he's running is a 7.2.4 Atmos system. Grayson's pulling out these cheap silences. We're just going to cut the hole a little bit bigger and put these new in ceilings in.
Is that now DirecTV? DirecTV sends HDR through HLG or something?
Overall, you don't get the black levels that you get from an OLED, but you know, in office. Perfect. This is the magnetic grill. It just clings right onto the front like that. And in this situation, the customer wants it off to match the rest of the speakers throughout the system. So we're gonna take it off. It's a sharp looking speaker. Okay guys, so there's a couple different ways that you can install these Klipsch PRO-180 RPCs like Grayson did earlier, where it's all one piece and you just screw it right in, or how it's intended to be done, which if you're a homeowner doing it, you probably want to do it this way, which is the back bracket first and then insert your speaker. So the way it works is you put the entire piece in like this, and you bring around your toggles like that. So you basically just use your fingers and it snaps right into place, and see these screws pop out. Same thing over here. Just like that. And now the way it's advertised is that you could actually like hang the speaker here while you make your connections. So Grayson's gonna hand me the speaker, and that's what we'll do. You also want to verify that you're level with earth, just so that the speaker looks nice. So the way, what they say is you come in like this and hang the speaker on there while you make your connections. Just make it a little bit easier on you. Just like that. So if you're doing this by yourself at home, you don't have more than your two hands. So now your connections are made. You can flip the speaker around and you can insert it into the wall. So just like that. This way it takes just a tad bit longer, but it gets the job done. So now we have to actually tighten our screws, which will pull the speaker into place. Make sure you don't over tighten it, or you can actually break the plastic. So the last thing we're gonna do is just clean the speaker off, because you're probably gonna get drywall dust on your hands. Just like that. And this particular speaker does have treble adjustments as well as bass adjustments. -3 or 0'd out. We're gonna go ahead and do the calibration, which we can make those adjustments in. This is the product installed. It also has a magnetic grill, should you choose to put it on. If you guys would like to purchase this product, give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, this is the final product installed. It's the 180 RPWs. These are used as the surround rear, left and right. Turned out pretty nice.